Good morning, students. Welcome to your science class. Class 5, Subject Science, Chapter number 4, Bones and Brain. Today, we will discuss question and answers for the chapter which we have learned. A. List the main functions of the skeleton system. Functions of skeleton system. First, it gives shape to our body. Second, it provides support to the body. Third, it protects delicate internal organs. Fourth, provides movements. B. Name the parts of the axial skeleton. Answer. Axial skeleton consists of skull, spinal cord, ribs, and breastbone. Sternum. The cranium, the vertebral column, and the rib cage are very important. Why? Cranium protects the all important parts of our brain. Vertebral column protects the spinal cord. Rib cage protects the heart and lungs. D. Name the main kinds of joints with example. Answer. Different kinds of joints: pivotal, saddle, ball and socket, hinge, and plane joint. Pivotal: neck, saddle thumb, ball and socket, hips and shoulder, hinge, elbow, knees and fingers, plane joints, ankles and wrists. E. What is the difference between a ligament and a tendon? Answer. Ligament are strong bands of fiber like tissues that hold the bones close together at the joint. Tendon is a fibrous connective tissue which attracts muscles to bone. F. Name the parts of the appendicular skeleton. Answer. Appendicular skeleton comprises the limbs, arms, legs, shoulders, and hips. G. Name the three main parts of the brain. Answer. The three main parts of brain are: first, cerebellum, third, medulla. H. What is the main job of the spinal cord? Answer. The main job of the spinal cord is to transfer information from the brain to rest of the body parts and from the rest of the body to brain. What is the difference between sensory nerves and motor nerves? Answer. The sensory nerves carry messages to the brain, and the motor nerves carry messages from the brain to the other parts of the body. What is reflex action? Explain with 3 examples. Answer. The spontaneous and involuntary movement of our body in response to a stimulus is known as reflex action. Example 1. Coughing or sneezing. 2. Closing of eyes when a bright light hits our eyes. 3. Sudden removal of hands from hot objects. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. The rib cage comprises dash parts, pairs of ribs, and the dash. The rib cage comprises 12 pairs of ribs and the sternum. B. The dash, dash and dash are the long bones in the arm. The humerus, radius and ulna are the long bones in the arm. C. Dash and dash are the long bones in the legs. The femur, fibula and tibia are the long bones in the legs. D. The dash connects the brain with the spinal cord. The medulla connects the brain with the spinal cord. E. The dash and dash protect our eyes from injury. The eyelids and eyelashes protect our eyes from injury. F. Bones move with the help of dash. Bones move with the help of joints. Write true or false. A. We have 8 types of taste buds. False. B. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. True. C. Femur is the smallest bone in our body. False. D. The upper end of the humerus fits into the pelvis. False. E. The 11th and 12th pair of ribs and are only attached to the vertebral column. True. F. All the bones in the skull are fixed. False. Match the following. Pivotal joint, neck. Hinge joint, elbow. Ball and socket joint, hip. Saddle joint, thumb. Plane joint, wrist. Give scientific reason for the following. A. Food does not taste good when we have a bad cold. Answer. During bad cold, we cannot smell properly. If we can't smell properly, we cannot taste them properly. B. The lower jaw enables us to talk and eat. Answer. The lower jaw holds the tongue which moves freely so we can talk and eat properly. C. Femur is the strongest bone in our skeleton. Answer. Femur is the strongest bone because the femur is so strong it usually takes a lot of force to break it. So that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.